If you've ever found yourself sitting still on the road, wondering, why am I even waiting right now? Then this video is for you. No accident, no collision, just traffic that suddenly slows down and comes to a complete stop. You look ahead, glance around, and realize this is a familiar situation that almost every city driver has experienced at some point. Park time begins with moments just like that. Ordinary, frustrating, and oddly irrational, when waiting makes no sense, and everyone is left wondering what will happen next. The Jeep doesn't honk, doesn't argue, it simply solves the problem in the most straightforward way. Parked in the wrong place, and suddenly turned into an unintended public staircase. A tug of war without a rope, just snow and pure stubbornness. Big thanks to this cat for alerting the car's owner. I honestly jumped when I saw this.
Nah, it looks like it's spotted either. They didn't come back in time.
Taking your anger out on objects doesn't solve anything. It just drains your wallet. There's nothing that can truly stop these ladies. Steering wasn't enough, so parking continued with a little manual pushing. Driving like this costs both your car and your money. Your uphill skills clearly need work, my friend. This is the ending for someone who tried to steal a parking spot. Parking works best when there's an order, folks. Thought it was just a temporary stop. Turned out the car was returned to its intended parking function.
Leave it right there.
The car didn't drive itself. The foot was just faster than the brain for a moment. Parking illegally with the confidence of, it'll be fine, and that confidence disappears along with the car. Parking that feels like playing a real-life obstacle avoidance game. How did the car even end up like this? Do you know what could have caused it? I love how he keeps waving his arms to really emphasize the point. Looks like this whole battle started over a parking spot dispute. Don't be mad, sis. It's just that your husband went out with another woman. Parked for convenience, only to end up wrapped like an exhibition item. Go easy on the gas pedal, folks. Your safety and everyone else's comes first. Please do your job with a bit more care. My car's front end is already dented. The escape from the tow truck was successful, but the bill afterward definitely wasn't.
Hey, who said you could leave?
Not anti-theft. This is the anti-repeat offender version.
This is some funny shit. To the tree.
How would you react if a car blocked your way like this? This towing method is really unusual. Don't try this at home. The brakes are there, but friction decided to take the day off.
They can't stop.
She was completely shocked by the prank, especially since it involved her beloved car. The car hasn't moved houses yet, but it's already fully packed and ready for shipping. What exactly happened here? I've watched it over and over and still can't figure it out. A small tip for removing parking tickets, but remember, you still need to pay the fine. Reversing like this definitely looks like a beginner mistake. An experienced driver wouldn't let this happen. Hard to tell whether this is roadside assistance or car destruction. The owner must be hurting watching this. She spent the entire morning trying to park in the correct spot. Hey buddy, a little courtesy goes a long way. Things would be much smoother that way. Something no one wanted ended up happening, but staying calm is the only way forward. I genuinely respect this man for refusing to back down from the crowd. Let's give a round of applause to this strong guy. There must have been an argument or something. Otherwise, this kind of dispute wouldn't happen. Park in a disabled parking spot, and this is the kind of ending you can expect. When people are fed up with waiting for the owner of an illegally parked car, this is how it ends. You can buy a Tesla, but you can't buy a brain. He probably forgot to pull the handbrake, and the ending was anything but lucky. The main target of today's party turned out to be this car, the one blocking all the fun. When you can't reach the owner, teamwork is sometimes all it takes to solve the problem. A lack of awareness from the driver caused serious damage to themselves and others. If there's an issue, talk it out calmly, brother. This kind of behavior isn't okay. And that's when people realize that on the streets, waiting is not always random. Sometimes, just seeing the ending is enough to understand what really happened. If you've ever been in a similar situation, leave a comment and share your experience. Park Time will continue capturing these very real, everyday stories. And the next video might be one you've lived through yourself.